Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to replace the air filter on FZ25. We need to remove this side panel, but first we'll remove the seat. Open these two bolts using 8mm spanner. Now pull out the seat and keep it aside. Now remove these two screws here. Now remove this lock by pressing the lever and it will come out very easily. Now pull out the cover. Remove all the screws here in the air filter box. Now pull out the cover and air filter. This air filter ran for about 6,500 kilometers. I am cleaning this before I place the new air filter. After you've done that, install the new air filter. Now here a mark has given to insert on this side. This side will face this side. Now insert like this, and there is another mark given here which indicates up. Now it will go inside like this. Here up and in. So push it all the way in. Yes, just like that. And to install the cover like this or like that, we want to install it straight so that this part can seal this part, because we don't want any leakage of air here. So install it straight and install all the screws in a crisscross pattern. After you've done that, install the cover. Install the lock, screws, the front seat. This hole will go inside this. Tighten the bolts and the back seat and you're done.